But I'll tell you right now, a lot of focus is on the Gulf and down in the area there because of Category 4 Hurricane Delta, Bob. And I know we could see the impacts from the remnants of this later this weekend.
I do believe we will be seeing that, Cody. I think as we head into the weekend, looks like a washout across the area with the remnants of Delta. But right now, you can see Hurricane Delta is a mean-looking hurricane. It is a Category 4 hurricane, winds of 140 miles per hour. Looks like a buzzsaw right there. And unfortunately, it is heading for the Yucatan Peninsula. And unfortunately, it could go right over Cancun. That's such a pretty spot, but it looks like that's where they could be feeling the effects of that, maybe with 140-mile-per-hour winds by tomorrow morning. Certainly a possibility. Then it looks like it weakens a little bit over the Yucatan Peninsula, and then it reemerges across the Gulf of Mexico as a Category 3 and 4 and makes landfall somewhere between Lake Charles, Louisiana, and New Orleans. That is what we're thinking right now, maybe as a slightly weaker hurricane because it looks like the water is maybe a little cooler there. But still, probably at least a Category 2 hurricane at that time. And then the remnants start to move inland across Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama by Sunday morning. And then through time, we are looking at a good chance of some very heavy weather around here as far as heavy rain, I think, as we head into Saturday and Sunday. But for this evening, looking great. If you're heading out, we're looking at temperatures in the middle 70s early on, mostly clear skies, and then temperatures falling through the 70s into the 60s, even into the 50s very late tonight. And for the mountains, we're looking at temperatures for you also dipping from the 70s into the 60s and eventually into the 50s under mostly clear skies. For continuing coverage on Hurricane Delta and our local news across the upstate, you can check out the following newscasts. Also find us on Fox Carolina News app, Facebook.com, and YouTube.com as well. Have a great evening.